pull this up a bit more. Hey guys, it's 11:30 right now, in the middle of a giant snowstorm. Yesterday I was scouting out the spot I normally go to, and there's a small patch that isn't frozen over, so today we're gonna try and go catch some fish there. Got 2 rods, one of them small panfish lure on it, other one 3/0 hook. We're gonna put some artificial bait on it. We're gonna let this one sink down, see if we can get any fish closer to the bottom, and this one we're gonna see if there's any that are maybe top water around there. We're gonna see if we can get them on this. All right, I've had some success around this tree before. It's a big largemouth that was right underneath it. One issue is right here. Don't know where the fall off is. It looks like it's easy to find out, but there's a lot of logs in there. Like you can see that tiny little gap right here. It's because this is a log, and there's other stuff like that around here too. One of those swans coming over. That did not go well. Got stuck in the slop. We're not getting great luck right now. Stuck in the slop again. Wind might be taking it. This might not be heavy enough. Let's try left-handed, maybe. We got it in. Yeah. I'm not really feeling this. We can try one more. Let's go overhead. Yeah, we just missed on that one too. Wind's really heavy right now, so I'm not even sure if we're gonna bait up this other rod right now. Yeah, let's just see if we can get it out. See if this thing's heavy enough with the wind. Oh, I've got a goose right here. We'll wait for the goose to leave. Look at how much the goose is sinking in. That should show you how thick this is right here. Oh yeah, it just sank in completely right there. But we can't cast until he's gone. So that's not ideal. It doesn't look like he's moving anytime soon. He's definitely not moving anytime soon. We're gonna have to try and look for another spot right here. And you got this swan right here. There's definitely something that he's looking for. I'm like, oh, this was my primary rod all summer. So I don't know. I can cast this thing. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Note to self, edit that out. If we're even still recording. This thing's moving a bit. Looks like he's just gonna stay right here. That's not ideal. These geese, they look like they're hunkering down. Let's try a bit more right here. Alright. Oh, that was even worse than the other one. Alright, so we got that one out. I think that was like a log. Got a little bend right there. Didn't feel much resistance. It was static, wasn't moving. Anyways, I don't got anything on. I'm just trying to see if it'll get out. We do have the geese coming over. Right. This is not going according to plan right now. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna put some bait on this and see what happens. We're gonna let this one sit. So I'm gonna cast this one out and just let it sit where it is, and then right here is what we're going to be using. Gulp red wigglers, artificial worms. Let's check the smell. Yep, still smells good. Now this is my least favorite part. I have to take my gloves off for this. I'm not sure if we're gonna have the swans go after this as well. I'm assuming we won't, but there's still a chance. Because we're just gonna go just this. Then that should be good enough. Put this back on. Up. Now this should add enough weight, but we can't be sure. And these worms are pretty light. So the plan right now is we're going to cast it out. We're going to hold on to it in case one of the geese or swans go after it, but otherwise we're gonna let it sit right there. All right, so okay, the swan is coming over. If he keeps moving over, we're gonna have to just rip it out of the water. I'm gonna bring some slack up on it. Yeah, this is a little close. Still got that goose right there. This goose isn't leaving, so I'm gonna take this spot where just Or it's stuck. Can't use that. So just go right here. I've caught a couple of largemouth right at this spot. However, usually I have a different lure on. So this is beautiful. And fishing, you get to see some stuff that you don't see anywhere else. This is just beautiful right here. Doesn't look like anything's coming over. You see wind's blowing in towards us. So if our line drifts in, that is going to probably be the wind. If it goes out, that means we're probably on something. And I'm going to put this up right here while I quickly go grab the other rod. This one we'll just cast in. Hopefully this one will get far enough out. We won't have much the last time. Yeah, this might not be a good rod for today. Yeah, this rod isn't it for today. Snow off it. Let's try one or two more casts. I don't think we got enough weight to get it far enough out. That's it going here. Right. That was a rather good cast. Especially for this weather. This weight. Good for a terminal. Looking at that swan moving over right now. We're probably going to call this in a bit. Like I said, this could be a really short day. Not seeing any movement. Try switching up the method to this. Yeah, I'm seeing some really unnatural movement from this lure. That might be hurting us. That movement right there into the water. Oh, not. Alright. So with this, okay, it's got a knot, just pull that out. And then when you reel it in, hold the finger right there. Just somewhat pinch it with your thumb, and then just reel. That didn't work. Yeah. Line memory is not the best right now. Now we're on the ice. This isn't good. We're stuck on the ice. Alright, we just gotta do this. This is not going well right now. Something's stuck. I can't bring this in. Probably up here. It looks like it's up here, the top. It looks like it's wrapped around. Oh, is this knotted? Oh, this isn't good. We might be knotted at the top. This is a horrible time for this to happen. I've never experienced this before. A knot like this at the top. I'll take the gloves off. So good. So, get the knot. Alright. I can't really see what I have to do to unknot this. I see it's wrapped around a lot, so let's try going around a couple times. Yeah, it's not moving. This is not good. This is not good. I have no clue how to undo this. I've never got it knotted like this before. Let's give it some slack right here. All right, that definitely helped. Something happened right there. All right. All right, so now I can kind of see what I got to do. My hands are freezing right now. This is not ideal. All right. Yeah, so something's looped around this twice. I don't know what. We're gonna have to call this soon, I know that. I can barely feel my fingers at this point. It definitely looks like there's ice starting to form in the lake. This is going to be how the trip today comes to an end. Potentially. Unless we get this out. Oh, we got something. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We got to get the gloves back on though. This is one of the things about fishing in weather this cold. If you take the gloves off, you got to put them on back. You got to put them back on quickly. We didn't have hand warmers either. Oh, that's bad. So that is really bad. We don't. That's one of the last things you want to forget in weather like this, hand warmers. My toes are fine right now. I don't know how but I'm not, my toes aren't cold, my hands are freezing. This is not how I want the trip to end. Yeah, we're gonna call it. We can go one more cast with this thing. All right, that was not good. Oh, we got a big knot on this one. All right, so right here, hold it like this, and then slowly reel it in. And right now I'm feeling it in my fingers right now, the knot. And then just like that. Now that it's through, we can reel it in normally now. Alright, let's get one last casting. Alright. I'm feeling a slow reel on this. Hopefully we can get a largemouth hit. No, we're gonna go. Yeah. We gotta head back now. Weather's way too cold for this.